This is our new machine about the channel letter. It is C200 UD Clinch machine. Can process the channel letter. The side is aluminum. The backboard is also aluminum type. It clinch it without nail and rivet. Now we will show you about the machine how to work. This part machine can control the table up and down. This one for control the point location. Firstly, we adjust the table for different height material. Okay, now we change the position. Put the sail on table. This is our fault switch for control the porting. Outside and inside. Now we will test the everything is 1.5 millimeter.